And right now, across Britain, something alarming is happening. As we move closer to 2026, 6 cars are becoming almost impossible to insure. Not because drivers are reckless, but because insurance companies are quietly walking away. Some insurers are refusing cover entirely. Others are demanding astronomical premiums or adding exclusions so extreme that the policy becomes practically useless. I've spoken directly with underwriters and insurance brokers across London, Manchester, and Birmingham, and what they're saying is genuinely shocking. If you own one of these 6 cars, your 2026 renewal notice could be the nastiest surprise you've ever received. A silent shift in the UK insurance market. The British insurance market is undergoing a seismic shift that most drivers don't even realize is happening. Post-Brexit regulation changes, soaring repair costs, exploding theft claims, and catastrophic battery failures. All of this data is forcing insurers to blacklist certain vehicles entirely. And no, we're not talking about modified boy racer cars. We're talking about ordinary family cars and premium vehicles that looked like sensible, even smart purchases just a few years ago. I've obtained internal industry data showing which cars have become uninsurable or so expensive to insure that ownership no longer makes sense heading into 2026. I've ranked them from problematic to virtually impossible to insure. And number 1 will shock you because it was marketed as a premium, responsible choice for British families. Number 6, Range Rover Evoque, 2019 to 2023. The Range Rover Evoque is rapidly becoming uninsurable in Britain, mainly due to catastrophic theft rates. It's now one of the most stolen SUVs in the UK. Insurance companies are either refusing cover outright or quoting premiums exceeding £5,000 per year. Organized criminal gangs target Evoques specifically because they're easy to steal using relay attacks on keyless entry systems. In London alone, over 2,000 Evoques were stolen in 2024, with a recovery rate below 15%. Insurers paid out more than £80 million in Evoque theft claims last year. But theft isn't the only issue. Repair costs are brutal. Minor front-end damage, £8,000. Panoramic sunroof replacement, £4,500. Water ingress into electronics, £6,000 plus. Major insurers like Admiral, Direct Line, and Aviva are already declining new Evoque policies in major cities. Existing customers are seeing renewals jump from £1,200 to £3,600, sometimes even higher. Some insurers still offer cover, but with conditions like no overnight street parking, mandatory trackers, and £2,500 excess. British Evoque owners are trapped, hard to insure, hard to sell, and increasingly impossible to keep. Number 5, BMW i3, 2013 to 2022. The BMW i3 is becoming uninsurable due to battery degradation and extreme repair costs. Its carbon fiber body structure means even a low-speed collision can result in £15,000 to £20,000 repair bills. But the real killer is battery degradation. After 7 years, many UK i3 owners report 30 to 40% range loss, dropping usable range to barely 110 miles. BMW does not repair these batteries, only replaces them. Replacement cost £12,000 to £15,000. As a result, Admiral and Churchill no longer offer comprehensive cover on older i3s. Other insurers exclude battery coverage entirely. Others offer third-party only insurance. Owners are facing cars worth less than the cost to insure them. Number 4. Nissan Leaf, 2011 to 2017. The Nissan Leaf represents the collapse of first-generation EV insurability. Early Leafs used air-cooled batteries, leading to extreme degradation. UK owners report 50 to 60% capacity loss, winter range as low as 30 miles, battery replacement £8,000 to £12,000, more than the car is worth. Worse still, Nissan has discontinued battery support for early UK Leafs.
Insurers are responding by declaring total losses for minor accidents, refusing comprehensive cover on Leafs older than 2018, and quoting £1,800 to £2,500 with battery exclusions. Hundreds of thousands of early Leafs are becoming financially abandoned vehicles. Number 3. Tesla Model S 2012 to 2016. Early Tesla Model S cars are becoming insurance nightmares. Tesla controls all parts and repairs, and costs are extreme. Minor bumper damage, £8,000. Battery replacement, £18,000 to £22,000. Drive unit replacement, £12,000 per unit. Internal reliability data shows over 40% of early Tesla Model S vehicles suffered major drivetrain failures. Most UK insurers now refuse comprehensive cover altogether. Specialist insurers still offer policies, but at £3,500 to £5,000 per year, with battery and drive units excluded. Your former £70,000 luxury EV has become a £15,000 liability.
Number 2. Mercedes-Benz EQC 2019 to 2023. The EQC may be the most hated EV in the UK insurance industry. Originally priced at £70,000, many are now worth £18,000 to £22,000. Repair costs routinely exceed the vehicle's value. Headlight modules, £4,500 each. Battery damage protocol, £15,000 plus. Cooling system failures, £8,000. Drive unit failures, £10,000 plus. Most major UK insurers have stopped offering comprehensive cover entirely. Owners face £4,000 plus premiums, huge excesses, and battery exclusions if they get insured at all. Number 1. Jaguar I-Pace 2018 to 2024. The most uninsurable car in Britain heading into 2026. The Jaguar I-Pace combines catastrophic depreciation, epidemic reliability failures, astronomical repair costs. Originally £65,000 to £70,000, now worth £15,000 to £18,000. Battery replacements cost £22,000. Drive units fail at 50 to 70k miles, costing £14,000. Major insurers have completely abandoned it. Specialist insurers charge £5,500 to £7,000 per year for a car worth £15,000. The I-Pace is the perfect storm of everything insurers fear. Final warning. These 6 cars prove something important. Insurance companies have data we never see as buyers. They know which cars lose money on every policy, and they're walking away. If you own one of these vehicles, start planning your exit before 2026 renewals arrive. If you're thinking of buying one used, remember, a cheap purchase price means nothing if the insurance makes it unaffordable. Smash the like button if this saved you from an insurance nightmare. Which car shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Drive Edge so you don't make these costly mistakes. Drive safe and always check insurance costs before you buy.